Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you all for tuning in this new chapter I am in life. Welcome to What's Next, Sharon. And I'm super nervous. As you guys can tell, I just literally froze up for a second. Like, what in the world am I doing? But welcome to this new chapter, this new season I am in life. I'm super excited on getting started. So congratulations to me. But I am, like I said, in a new chapter in life where I'm starting over. I'm rebuilding my life, and I'm hoping to share it with you all. This channel, I guess, is kind of weird saying that for the first time out loud. Hopefully, as I navigate through, it becomes more and more natural and less awkward. But yes, in this channel, I'm just going to be sharing this new season I'm in, of rebuilding, of starting over, of the ideas and goals that I have, and hoping that I can take you guys all along on this journey and hopefully inspire you guys to do the same. What inspired me to do this is not the most ideal thing in the world, but just to give you a little bit of a backstory, I spent a good portion of the last few years just building myself in corporate America. And I was rolling, I was doing my thing, doing what I thought was going to give me a sustainable life and a good life and build outside within the things that I was passionate about, like real estate. And that just turned out not to be the case. So I, for lack of a better phrase, am in this new season of my life, and I stepped away from corporate America. But yeah, I didn't expect life to go this way. I thought that I would rise in corporate America and just build a really great real estate portfolio and live my life, taking care of my friends and my family and just enjoying the simple things in life. And then turns out that didn't happen, and things just took a turn. I don't want to say for the worse because that's pretty negative, but it did take an unexpected turn. And what people would say, or the outside looking in, everything that could have gone wrong did. And big reason why I'm in this space today. My original plan was just to, just get back into the weeds of what I know. Start with a new company and just start from where I left off. And it wasn't that simple. And it's obviously because of a lot of different factors that we won't get into, but it led me to start something new. And that's why I'm here with this channel, hoping that, my story and my journey helps motivate those out there that are starting over as well. It's super scary, and I really don't know how this is gonna turn out. But I'm hoping for the best. So do wish me luck. If you guys have any suggestions on starting over or starting a channel or anything like that, please do comment below because your girl needs it. I have no idea this content creation, social media space at all. I pretty much try to stay under the radar for a lot of it, but I figured, you know what, why not try something new? And I spent the past few weeks just thinking, one, what I should do, two, how to go about it, and it just became this endless mental clutter of going back and forth and trying to convince myself not to do something. And I was like, you know what, I have goals, I have dreams, I have ambitions, there's things that I want to accomplish, so why not do it? Why not just try something new, and why not document it on the way? And I figured, I was like, you know what, I can plan, I can try to make this perfect, I can spend tons of amounts of money trying to get equipment and trying to create a space that looks amazing and all this other stuff. And then I thought to myself, I was like, you know what, Sharon, you're going to drive yourself crazy. And I think the biggest thing that you can do for yourself is just getting started. So that's what we're doing. We're just getting started. And we're gonna obviously make improvements throughout this entire journey. So obviously if there's anything that you guys see, obviously feel free to comment below and give me advice. I'm open to feedback for sure. But the general gist and what inspired me to even do this is because I wanted to create like a soft space for myself and for others on starting over. and share pretty much the things that I like, whether if it's real estate, whether if it's romance, whether if it's just my thoughts, things that I'm working on, me building a brand for women about wellness and skincare and just overall just loving your authentic self. Or whether if it's faith, or whether if it's lifestyle, whether if it's travel. So I just wanted to share things about me that I think that would be inspirational and motivational to everyone out there, and women especially, who put a lot of work into something that builds something and seen it all come crumbling down. Or whether you're starting your journey in life, or whether you're starting a different path like motherhood, or being a wife, or starting a business, or going out on your own, or starting school, or whatever the case may be. I just hope that I can share my experiences and I can hear you guys' experiences on whatever chapter you're in life, and hopefully create like a sisterhood in the process. I know that's one thing that's really important to me: sisterhood and friendship and family. I love my family. I love my sisters. Shout out to them. They keep me motivated, they keep me inspired. My nieces, my nephews, my mom, my brothers, I love them all, and I wouldn't be here today trying something new if it wasn't for them. But I wanted to just share a little bit about my life, obviously keeping a lot of things private, but sharing that you can start over. You can start from scratch. You can start something new and not know anything about it at all, like me right now. And then hope and work towards it. And that's what this channel is gonna show me every week, every day. Just, well, not every day. I'm not gonna post every single day. We're just starting out, guys. But every week I'm gonna show you guys pretty much what my daily life is like, building a brand for women, still investing in real estate and other endeavors that I have going on, and figuring out how to do it, figuring out what's needed of me, pushing myself forward, learning new things, meeting new people, going to new places, and doing things that might scare me to my bones, but pushing forward no matter what. So I know I said a lot, and there's obviously more that we'll uncover throughout this channel, but hopefully you guys can come along with me on this journey and obviously write words of encouragement, write advice, and help push my dream along. And hopefully as I get to a place that I'm achieving my goals and I'm seeing great success from them, hopefully I can give back to you guys in a really amazing way. And you guys can share your goals and your journeys with me, and we can create something that's unique without all the noise of social media, without all the noise of just all the things that go on in the world. Just create like a soft, safe space to express our imperfections, to express the things that we're succeeding in, celebrate them together, and even go through the losses together without having to like feel judged or feel ashamed or feel embarrassed. Believe me, you guys will see a lot of moments where I'm embarrassing myself for sure. But hopefully they all lead to good outcomes, and hopefully you guys can share you guys' outcomes on your personal goals and your personal journeys as well. But thank you for tuning in. This is our first video. Please do comment on things that you would like to see relevant to the things that I'm going to talk about. Do subscribe to this channel. As you guys know, I'm only able to continue doing these things if I'm able to grow. So hopefully you guys enjoy the content. As I do more, do send the things you like about it, the things that you want to see, or any suggestions that you guys have. Thanks again for tuning in, and we will see you guys in the next, I will see you guys in the next video. So wish me the best of luck and see you guys soon. Bye.